Yo guys, what's up? Here today in Tradestation. The goal for today is to make at least $400. You can see my positions here. Disney is almost at 50%, so I might be getting rid of that soon, closing that out. I have bullish on Disney, so it's good for the long term. You can see interest rates. TBT is as interest rates go up, that stock should go up. Kind of neutral right now. It seems like the yields are going down a little. So the stock is going down a little bit today. So this is a good opportunity to sell a call against it. So here's what I'm going to do. Go to quotes here. I'm going to say TPT. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little bit of a spread because I think rates are going to be going up slightly. Probably. But at the same time, I want to minimize my exposure to this because it's really a short-term vehicle. So I'm going to do a spread on it. So I'll trade. All right, here's the trade set up. I'm going to go for 28 cents, $1.28. All right, send. Didn't take. Alright, so I'm just chasing it now. 26. Alright, looks like it filled. You can see here I have a USDP order in. There's a stop loss. I know I'm pretty bullish on oil. But I have a pretty good gain on this little stock. USDP, 82%. I'm up 82%, so I don't have a lot in there. It's not even worth mentioning, but I thought I'd let you guys know. I put stop losses in sometimes when I have a big gain and I want to protect it. I put a little stop loss in just in case there's a market event or whatever. So you can see here, looking good. Let's see what our available balance is here. Let's go to balance. Alright. Looks like I have about 80K. So, okay. So, here's my next thing I want to do. Over the weekend, Cathy Wood and ARK came out with a report on Tesla. They are extremely bullish. They gave a price target, 2025 price target of like 3,000 or 4,000. I read the report and I went through some of their numbers. It seemed pretty reliable. There's also this guy on YouTube I watch, Meet Kevin. He's pretty bullish on it. So I'm going to start selling some puts into Tesla. Let me know in the comments below if you think this is a good idea. I'm just going to get killed. I had some Tesla stock back when it was like 200 and I sold it. Yeah, I was kind of stupid. But should have kept it. So, alright, let's trade. Let's go. This is pretty liquid stock. 15-cent spread, that's not too bad. So here we go. So if you multiply this $20 by 52, you can do this 52 times a year. You get about $100,000, which is kind of crazy to me. The stock's only worth $70,000, so you're making a huge premium. So if you could keep this up long term, you'd be sitting pretty. So I'm gonna take another whack at Tesla, see how it goes. All right, there it is. There's my 1 week Tesla put. 26 expires on Friday. I'll keep you guys updated daily on this puppy. Just because I want to monitor it closely. It's a large portion of my cash reserves. You can see I'm going to be using almost the full amount here. 68,750. This is my Roth IRA. So, yep, be keeping a close tabs on Tesla. Alright guys, let me know in the comments below if you think this is a good idea, if you're bullish on Tesla or not. It's a good stock. So, I accomplished my goal for the day. I made at least $400. Actually, I made a lot more than that, hopefully. I guess we'll see as the week plays out. So, there it is. Alright guys, stay tuned, subscribe to my channel for a daily options trade in my quest. Thanks for watching.